In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix missing DLL on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing that we can do is to check for any system corrupted files. So for that, we need to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you will find the option Run as Administrator. Click on that. In the elevated command prompt, type sfc /scan. Now do not worry, the commands will be posted in the description section below. Hit enter. So the system scan will begin. Simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. This will check and fix for any system corrupted files. Once the process is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window. Then consider restarting by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to also run the DASM command. So for that, go again into the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then on the right pane, click the option Run as Administrator. Type DASM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. All these commands will be posted in the description section below, so do not worry. Hit enter. The process will start. Simply patiently wait for the process. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, just patiently wait for that. And once this is completed and is successfully completed, do not also forget to restart your Windows, okay? And the next thing that we can do is to update the drivers that is related to the DLL error. So for that, right-click at the Start button and then go to Device Manager. Here, simply locate the driver that is related to the DLL error that you are facing. Let's say, for example, you are facing this with your graphics card. Right-click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And now the best drivers for your device are already installed, so that will help you fix the issue. And we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated or upgraded. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button Check for Updates. These updates has the necessary files that is needed to fix the issue, so simply update your Windows. Once you're updated, then good. And the last thing that we can do is to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So go to the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Locate the program that is giving you the error. Right-click and then select the uninstall button to uninstall it from your Windows and simply reinstall it either through the Microsoft Store or any of the browser that you have. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.